I'm excited about this one because I do not have a 4K TV that can do 120 gigahertz. So I've been looking forward to this one, and I got it at Walmart today. Check it out. Oh. Small, but it's a little heavy. Heavier than I was expecting. It does almost look like one of those NES classic systems, just slightly bigger. It kind of has that form factor to it. I was expecting it to be small. Everybody keeps saying they're small. Wow. Okay. That's a neat looking box. So, something that I've been wondering is how this size compares with a Wii U. So I'm going to get a Wii U out, and there is the Wii U. There's the Series S. So, oh man, the Wii U is actually bigger. How about that? I wasn't expecting that. Let's see this angle of it. So, the Wii U appears to be a little bit shorter in length, but the width is definitely bigger. But that's kind of what this reminded me of when I've seen the previews of the system. It kind of reminded me of a Wii U. It's almost as big as the system itself. Wow. Really is small. Everybody says that, but it really, when you get these other things and look at it, Xbox One controller, you can see this thing is not huge at all. Then here is a 360 controller. Then Super Mario 2DS up on top of it. Man, that sucker's small. Then a old Hulk Hogan Nintendo Power magazine. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, here's the new controller. Curious how similar this is to that Xbox One controller over there. That Xbox One controller was from one of the Xbox One S, I guess. And it kind of had a texture on the back of the controller, so oh yeah. Yeah, this texture is more pronounced. And it has a texture all over it, but it's more rugged on the back. Feels good. Yeah, the joysticks are different. Oh, maybe they're a little taller. Probably not. They don't look like they are. They just feel different. Something about the grip. Maybe where you put your thumbs cave in more. And then oh man, the D-pad's nice. I've never had an Elite controller, so I've never used this kind of D-pad, but I like that. That's almost too good. Oh yeah, the triggers, the bumpers. I guess the bumpers kind of have the texture that the front of the controller has. It's just a slight matte rough, but then the bumpers, they've got a similar texture to the back. I mean, I can't wait to play this. It feels nice. I like it. I'm gonna hold that Xbox One controller again. This came from a Series S. I mean, it feels good too, but the little special texture they had on the back of this one, I liked it, but it's nothing compared to the new one. And then the 360 controller has no texture, but I mean, it's still good. This is the one that has the little special D-pad that you could spin, and it would go in, and then you spin it, and it sticks out a little bit. It was supposed to improve it because it didn't have the greatest D-pad to begin with. All right, like I said, this works for me because I have a 1080p TV at the moment, and it's probably going to be a couple years before I get a real souped up TV that can handle a lot of the features of the Xbox Series X. I dig the look of it, and this controller is nice too. Wait, get it hooked up and all updated. Actually surprised. I would say the Xbox is just a little bit smaller than the Wii U. And in my head, I was kind of thinking it was going to be about the same size, maybe a little bit thicker. And it is a little bit thicker, but other than that, the Wii U is overall a little bit bigger. So that kind of shocked me. All right, thanks for watching, and have a good one.